In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up form submission notifications in HubSpot. Form submission notifications make sure the right people hear from prospects the moment a form is submitted. That speed to lead matters, and the settings you're about to review control exactly who gets alerted and when. We'll move through the product together so you know exactly where this lives and how to confirm it's set up correctly. Start on your HubSpot dashboard. From the main navigation, open the More menu to reveal the full set of tools available in your account. Choose Marketing, then select Forms. This brings you to the Forms index, where you can see all your forms in one place, along with helpful details like last updated dates. If you manage a large library, use search or filters to find the form you want to work on quickly. Click the form you want to configure to open its details. Then choose Edit Form. You're now in the form editor, where you design fields and control what happens after someone hits submit. Along the top, switch from the content view over to settings. Think of this area as the command center for form behavior. Submission handling, follow-up, and notifications live here. In the settings area, open submission settings. This panel focuses on what happens the instant a visitor submits this specific form. It's the place to review who is notified, how notifications are delivered, and any routing that applies for this form. Take a moment to carefully read what's currently configured and make sure it aligns with your team's handoff process. Clear recipient selections and consistent rules help prevent missed leads and reduce confusion. When you're ready to finalize, click Review and Update. HubSpot will present a summary of the current submission configuration and any recommended updates. Use this screen as your last checkpoint to confirm the notification behavior matches your expectations. If something doesn't look right, this is the best moment to reconcile it before you publish changes. To complete the process, click Update. This saves your changes and applies them to the live form, so all future submissions follow the notification rules you just reviewed. If you return later to adjust recipients or routing, remember to click Update each time so your changes go live. A few closing tips. If you can't find a form or certain settings, you may need additional permissions or access to a different business unit. Labels and tabs can vary slightly by subscription, but submission settings will always be inside the form editor's settings area. Documenting who receives alerts for each form also makes future audits fast and consistent. You're all set. Your form submission notifications are now reviewed and updated.